Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
It's Sunday, December 7th, and time for day 7. Here's the little Lego thing I opened up on the 6th. Actually, I didn't open it. I haven't been doing these. The kids have been doing them. It is a tractor. Am I even holding this right? Like, literally, I woke up like 5 minutes ago. Anyways, here is number 7. So let's get to it. Korean hot chili. Alright, this should be interesting.
Well, hello again. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got another one out of the ramen advent calendar box from Nissin, Germany. This one's interesting. Nissin Ramen Korean hot chili flavor pocket snack. Pocket snack. I've never heard of that. This one, unlike the others that I've reviewed recently for this box are made in Hungary. This one's from Thirstery. No, this one's from what do you call it? Vietnam. So that's different. I've never seen their stuff from Vietnam. A lot of companies are making stuff in Vietnam these days, including, as well as, I guess, their home country. I don't know why. All I can guess is that there's some kind of benefit to it. Maybe production volume. I don't know. Kind of outside my wheelhouse, but yeah. Well, yesterday, folks, was the great big citywide, well, it was down that way, and it was at City Hall and across the way from it, Winterfest, which was just fantastic. My daughter did some singing with other 50 kids. That was cool. It was really short. But, oh, it's magnetic. The only downside of it was the sheer amount of spectators at City Hall. It was like the way they set it up, it was outside. And the way they did it, like, there's not enough room for that many kids and that many people. And they need to think about that next time. I mean it. Do something different. It's like my wife was in front of me. This dude gets in front of her. My wife's like not 8 feet tall. But, you know, a tall dude, almost as tall as me. He goes and stands in front of her. It's packed in. There's this lady. There's a bench right next to me. This lady's standing on the bench holding her camera. I was like this, you know, I put it on steady cam and just held it. My arm's kind of sore today from doing that. But at the end of this, I'll throw in a little snippet of a song they did called Ugly Sweater, which was pretty good. I don't know, I might be able to see her in it, and if I do, I can like put a little arrow pointing at my daughter. But yeah, so that happened, and then we went inside City Hall and looked at all the what have you. They have like, you know, a holiday market with stuff and things that are really like not of interest to me so much. Although my wife got a Christmas cactus, and I was like thinking, you know, you'll probably do pretty good with that, because that was a plant my mom grew was one of those, and we had it for years. And my mom also had African violets, and for the memorial for my mom, we got African violets for that, and we still have African violets from that she's been growing. So that's cool. We did that. Then we went over and got pictures with Santa. They got a new Santa. The old Santa was this cranky guy, and he always just looked irritated and acted the part too, not of Santa, but of being cranky. New guy was nice. He actually interacted with kids. Maybe after a couple years of being Santa, you get like cranky and not into being Santa anymore. I don't know. And then we went over and saw some more of the, oh look, there's that stuff that costs way too much and nobody really wants. Oh, what a great present for Jimmy. No. Jimmy doesn't want a baseball cap with a piece of metal affixed to it. Jimmy doesn't want these things. But yeah. Mimi got some earrings. And then we went to the grocery store and got some stuff. And I carried everything and when we walked home. That's my thing. If there's like a chance for me to like be a pack horse or a mule as far as like groceries and junk goes, yeah, I'm cool to do that. All right, here's our Vietnamese made German Korean style noodle. Definitely has that. I don't know how to explain it other than this does taste like, or have the texture of a Vietnamese noodle. Here is the broth. It's definitely for the European market. I will say that. Salty, a little bit of savory, and a little bit of heat. This is not Bulldog. It is most certainly not Bulldog. If you're thinking, oh my God, they made Bulldog. No. I would say as far as Korean style, it might be leaning more towards like, I think it's the spicy that why they're saying Korean style, to be honest. But it's not really beefy. In fact, this one's vegetarian friendly. Wow, the music today, huh? That bowl is just too dang deep. I'm sorry, folks. I made a bowl dirty. I gotta use a different bowl. So let's do that, shall we? I think it's the right time to make a little bit of a switch. I was wondering if that'd be the case, and now I know. There we are. So I don't really have a lot along the lines of garnish for today. Today is Sunday. And you know, Sunday is the day of chilling out, I guess. Is that what you're supposed to do on Sunday? Scallion there? On your Sunday. Listening to this Christmas music, which is not really Christmassy, but just like as mellow as can possibly be. It's a mellow mood for this noodle. So what I did is I downloaded like 150 songs from that music library that I use. I put it in order of what? I put it in order by name, and then I randomly went through it and made 7 folders and moved them all over. So it's definitely all over the place. You know what I could do, and I think I'm gonna do it. Here's some of that chili sauce. Not a little bit. The spoon. The spoon. Every time I use this spoon, I think of my old dear friend Jamie Burridge, aka the Reverend Dick Gazinia. That's what he liked to call himself. He was a funny guy, cool dude. But he died from cancer in February, and I'm bummed. I need to get a Christmas card out their way. He was in, lived in Brixham in England. Yeah. Cool dude, funny guy. Miss the heck out of that guy. Jeez. Anyways. Yeah, he sent my wife that spoon. Ardent supporter of curry as well. Since it is Korean style, though, they also sent me after he died the soup spoons that I use. He was so stoked on these. I got them in London, and they were only some cost, they were cheap. Oh, come on, don't break on me. Good. But yeah. Like Hans, they were only $1.50 each or something like that. Of your money. Yeah. If they're Thai, they're cool. That was nice of them. But yeah, I need to send his family a card. I'm sure they're having a weird Christmas this year. Man, this music is bad. Christmas with my face on the front of my head. Ooh, 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 ooh. We watched a movie last night. A really good movie recommended to me by our friend Stumpy from North Little Rock, Arkansas. And it was called, what was it called? The Long Walk. I recommend it to you. There we go. If it's Korean style, slapping an egg like that, yeah. And I already put seeds on it. I don't believe I did. I'm gonna put some seeds on it. And then I think we're gonna call it a day. But yeah, the long walk. Boy, it's a long walk. There's some problems with that movie, though. So they're supposed to walk 3 miles an hour, and if they slow down, they get shot. And it's based on a Stephen King novel. Well, on day 3, they were getting into walking 200 miles. Well, wait a second. If you're walking 3 miles an hour and there's 24 hours in a day, that's 72 miles per day, right? Yeah. Times 3, that would be 200 and... more than 200 miles. So I don't know. There we go. I like that. I like that direction of the noodles turning on Christmas. Yeah, so this one's interesting. it looked a little more exciting than it ended up being, but it's not bad. And I know there's going to be other varieties of this range in the box, so that's cool. And yeah,
You didn't split, did you? You better not.
anyways, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Here's something, part of my daughter singing with her school stuff. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for day 8. Bye bye.